Students, today we will read about the remaining portions of algebra. So let's start with the algebraic expression, means framing of algebraic expression. Okay. In last video, I already taught about different terms which are related with the algebra and the algebraic expression. Again, I am repeating the same. What do you mean by the algebraic expression? Addition of means what? It is the algebraic expression means the combination of different terms, different variables, different factors by different mathematical operations like as the addition, subtraction, multiplication means different signs. That is the algebraic expression. Okay. So how will we do the things? So let's start. Framing of algebraic expression means what? It will how will you represent an word question by a variable expression? Means if there is a question, what question is given and how will you change that in the algebraic expression form? Variable expression means algebraic expression. How will you change it? So I will give some examples. According that you have to follow and also you try to understand the things. Okay. Series A. So there is an example. See, sum of m and n. Sum of m and n is this 12. Okay, there is a question. Sum of m and n is 12. That means what? Sum means it is the addition whose addition is giving m and n. That means answer is m plus n is equal to 12. Clear? Like this means here I am using the variables, but this is the expression. This is a question which gives the answer addition answer of the sum is the 12. Means by using the variables I am represent an equation and word question. It is a word question. It is the word sentence in arithmetic sentence which by using the variables I am represent by a algebraic expression. Okay, so like that some others. See, p is subtracted from twice q each 17. Okay, listen, p is subtracted from twice of q is 17. What does this mean? Twice q means 2 into q. Okay, twice q means what? 2 into q, from which p is subtracted. Twice of q from which p is subtracted is 17 means equal to 17. Question is this. 2 into q means what? It is 2q. Anything if multiply any variable if multiplied with a number or any other variable, then we got simply we will write like this. Means suppose x into y, then the product will be xy. 2 into z, that is equal to 2z, like this. Okay, so here I got 2q minus p is equal to 17. Expression is this. Clear? Another example I will give. See, x divided by 5 gives x divided by 5 gives 3 times y. Okay, x divided by 5 gives 3 times y means what? X is divided by 5. X is the number which is unknown number and represented by variable, is divided by 5 gives, what is the gives? What is the answer it is given? What is the answer we got from the division? 3 times y means 3 into y, that is equal to, or 3 into y means what is the answer? 3y. Okay, that means x is divided by 5 is equal to 3y. Clear? Like this, these are the algebraic expressions we are doing from the word questions. Okay, so see some other examples I want to give. 6 less than 6 less than, okay, a number x. 6 less than a number x. What means 6 is less than a number x? What is the number is the x from which 6 is less? Means expression is x minus 6. Okay, can you understand? Like this. Another example, see, write the perimeter, write the perimeter P of a rectangle, okay, each 2 times the sum of its length L and breadth B. Okay, what is the question? Write the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter means it is taken P, rectangle, each 2 times the sum of its length and breadth B, whereas length is L and breadth is taken B. Then what is that answer? Perimeter P is equal to P of rectangle, P is equal to 2 times means 2 into the sum of its length. Sum of means addition of its length L plus sum is given, so plus, and breadth means B. Okay, so what is the answer I got? P is equal to 2 into L plus B. Can you understand? This is the rectangle. What is that? Rectangle perimeter. You know the perimeter of rectangle formula, that is got here. P is equal to 2 into L plus B, like this. Can you understand? These are the algebraic expressions we are framing from the word equations which are given. By following these methods, by following these examples, you have to do 11.3 and the 11.4 exercise. Okay, so students, see here from the 11 exercise in your book, from your book 11 exercise 11.3 question number 3. See, I am discussing here. Question is given, what number is 2 more than twice the number A? Okay, what number is 2? What number means it is asking the number which is 2 more than twice the number A. Means suppose the number is, let the number is A. Okay, the number is given A. It's twice means what? It is 2 into A. Okay, it's twice. Each, what is given? Each 2 more. More means what is the answer? It is the addition. Okay, more means addition, less means subtraction. Plus 2. What is the answer we are getting here? At last 2A plus 2. This is the answer of this question. Okay, I think you got it the answer. What the number? Answer is 2A plus 2 means the number which is 2 more than. 2 more means plus 2. Then twice the number A. Twice the number means suppose that number is S. I am taken here, let the number A. A is twice means 2A. 2 into A becomes 2A. 2A plus 2 is equal to its answer of this expression. Okay, so like this. Next one. But dear students, listen, you need not to write all these things, just you write the question, and after that let the number, you write this line, let the number, the variable which is unknown, then after you direct write this answer, means 2A plus 2. This is, I am teaching you, I am telling you how these are happen, but it is not necessary to write this line. Okay, next come to next question. The number is 1 less than half the number B. Okay, what is the number less the number B? Okay, let the number is B. Okay, let the number be. The number is 1 less than again given means minus 1. You have to mind 1 minus 1, then half the number b. Half the number b means half of b. Half the number b means half of b minus 1. Half the number b means half of b minus less than given. So here minus 1 is given 1. That means answer I am getting here b by 2 minus 1. Okay, b by 2 minus 1 means what? Half into b means anything, suppose 1 by 2 into 4 or 3. If it is, then what we are getting? 3 by 2. So like this, if b is multiplied by 1, then that is b by 2. So we can write b by 2 minus 1. Answer is b by 2 minus 1 of this expression. Okay, next question number 3. What the number is 6 less than 1/3 of the number y? Means suppose the let the number y. Number is let the number y. Okay, let the number y. Then it is 6 less than means minus 6. 6 less than means minus 6. 1/3 of the number. 1/3 means 1 by 3 into y minus 6. That is equal to y by 3 minus 6. Answer is this. Okay, next number what? The number 4 more than what is given? 4 more means it is plus, 4 means plus 4. Then 7 times the number z. Let the number is z. Okay, let the number is z. Now 7 times means what? 7 into z. Okay, 7 into z plus 4 more means plus 4. That is equal to 7z plus 4. Got it? This is the answer. Okay, next like this, the sum of two number is 20. What is asking? Sum of two number is asking. Suppose, listen students, there is a one number, here also one other number, its sum is became 20 according the question. If one of the number is x, suppose this number is given x, then here it is asking what is the number. Then how will you get? Dash plus x is equal to 20. Then this number is equal to 20 minus x. Okay, the other number is 20 minus x. Clear? The sum of two numbers, just you write this question, then after you write this answer. No need to write this line. I just want to tell how will happen. Okay. These are the solutions of question number 3, 11.3. Okay. Next is that. Next question number 5, bit number A. Rani's age 5 years ago. Okay, expression for each of the following it is given, and just want to say how these are answers will be, we can be find out. Okay, Rani's age 5 years ago. Before find out the Rani's age 5 years ago, let we have to write here, let the age of Rani now or the present age of Rani is equal to x. Okay, this is the first line. Okay, because we don't know what is the age of Rani now, so we are taking, as it is the unknown quantity, unknown number, so we are taken as the x as the variable here. Okay, let the age of Rani now is equal to x. Now we come to solve each expression. Rani's age 5 years ago. Ago means it is minus. Ago means we have to go backward. If it is backward, then we can be write as minus. So its answer became, from now Rani says minus 5 years ago is x minus 5. Okay, like that. Bit number B, Rani's age. Okay, 3 years from now. 3 years from now. That means what? From now means it is, what is the now? Her age is x, so we have to write x. Okay, but from 3 years from now means From today, after 3 years, what is her age became? So her age is x plus 3. After 3 years, she should have x plus 3 year. So you have to write yes. Here also you have to write yes. Old. Okay. Next, number 3. Rani's father's age is of he is thrice of thrice age old is Rani. Okay. Question is Rani's father's age is thrice age old as Rani. What is the Rani's age? Rani's age is equal to x. But his father's age is thrice. Thrice means what? 3 into x. Okay. Thrice means 3 into x. That means father's age is equal to 3x. Okay, next bit D. What is the answer? Rani's brother's age. Rani's brother's age. What is asking? Rani's brother's age. If he is half age old is Rani. Half age old is Rani. Means what is Rani's age? What is Rani's age? It is x. It is half means what? Into 1 by 2. That means x. I told that x into 1 by 2 means what? Here x should be multiplied with 1. Then we got x by 2. Okay, this is Rani's brother's age. Next bit E. What is bit E? Rajiv's age. Who is her friend? Suppose her friend Rajiv's age or anyone. Okay. Rajiv's age. What is Rajiv's age? It is giving Rajiv's age is sum of Rani's and Rajiv's age is 40. What is Rajiv's age? Sum of Rani's age and Rajiv's age means Rani's age plus Rajiv's age is equal to 40. Okay, that means what? Rajiv's age not given. Rajiv's age not given, but it is asking Rajiv's age be Rani's age plus Rajiv's age. If the age of both are added, if we will add, then we will got 40. Then if Rani's age we know that is x now plus Rajiv's age is equal to 40. Then Rajiv's age is equal to 40 minus x. Okay. Can you understand? That is Rajiv's age. Next, bit F. What is that? Rani's grandfather's age. Rani's grandfather's age. Rani's grandfather's age equal to, if he is 3 years less than 6 times her age. 3 years less. What is telling? If he is 3 years is equal to 3 years less than 6 times her age. Clear? One by one you have to understand. You should understand here. 3 years less means minus 3. Then 6 times her age. Her age means Rani's age. What is Rani's age? X. 6 times means into 6. Okay. 6 into x or x into 6 minus 3 year. That means what? 6x minus 3. It is her grandfather's age. Can you understand? These are the expressions which are just like as a translating form. Just we have to change by putting the expressions, by using the variables and by using different signs. Just we can be change the word problems into algebraic forms. Okay. So students, according this you have to do other problems in this from this exercise. Students, now listen carefully. Now I am telling how in our arithmetic we are doing the problems. Basically, how we will do the problems. See, just I want to tell here another topic of algebraic expression that is related to 11.4, means substitution of algebraic expressions, substitutions of variables, and to calculate the answers from the algebraic expression by substituting the variables by some numbers. Okay, that means what? In our arithmetic we are doing different problems, like simply I am telling, see here, 5 into 8 plus 2. What does this mean? 5 into 8 plus 2 means what? 5 into 8 plus 2 means, as it is in the bracket, so we go for the solve first bracket as per the Badmas rule. Means what? 8 plus 2 means we are getting 10, that is equal to 50, like this. Okay, another example I want to tell, 3 into 2 square. What does this mean? These are the simple problems, means in our maths, in our mathematics, in our number system, we have different problems like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, different problems. Like this I am giving some simple examples. Okay, 3 into 2 square means, what is this mean? 3 into 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied with 2 times, so that is 2 square. What is telling? 2 square. Okay, 2 into 2. Then 3 into 2 2 ja 4, 3 4 ja 12 we are getting. These are the problems we are doing. But if that is in a algebraic expression, how you will calculate the answer? If it is a question in arithmetic, we are just calculating like this way. So in algebraic expression also, if there are some questions, how will you calculate? Suppose there is a question 3x square, or let it is the 5x square. Okay, see, how will you calculate what is its value? Can you calculate? Because as here 5x square means, see, it is 2x square means 2 into 2 times, means 2 it will be multiplied with 2 times, we can understand. But x square means what the value we are getting? Means what? Here 5 into x into x. But we cannot understand this value. What is the value of x? We don't know, because it is a unknown quantity. It is a variable. It is an unknown quantity. So in this form, how will you calculate? In this type of the question, means if the variable, if it is a monomial, or in algebraic expression there are some polynomials, in that cases the variables are replaced by given value, and you have to calculate the answer of that expression. Means what I telling, variable is replaced by given value. Suppose in that case we should use the x is equal to, there is a value will be given to you. Suppose x is equal to, suppose here x is equal to be given 3. Okay, and now we can be calculate. That means what? 5x square means 5 into 3 square. Okay, now here nothing means what? It is the product. So 5 into 3 now, because 3 square means 3 into 2 times. From where 3 I got? In case of x, we can be replace the x by given value 3. So 5 into 9, 45. Answer I am getting 45. Can you understand? What is this? The find out the value of algebraic expression, or binomials, trinomials, or polynomials, or any type of algebraic expression, by using the value of different variables, you have to calculate the answer. Okay, so let's start from some examples. Okay, suppose there is a question, x plus 3 is equal to dash, and x is given, it is equal to 5. What is the value of x? 5. Easily we can write 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, like this. Can you do now? According that, you have to do other problems which are from the 11.4 of your book, exercise 11.4. So question number 1, suppose that there is a given exercise 11.4 and question number 1. What is the question? Bit A, that is given 8a minus 5b. There is a question. See, a is equal to given 3, b is equal to given 4, c is given minus 5. Simply you just put the value of a, b, c in case of a, b in the question and you have to find out the answer. 8a means 8 into a. 8 into a means it is 3. Okay. Minus 5 into b. 5 means b means it is equal to 4. Okay. 8 into 3 means it is 24. 5 into 4 means it is 20. That is equal to, answer is, sorry, it is equal to 4. Okay. Answer is 4. Can you do now? Just to replace the variables by given value in the question. Okay. Next is that, see another question, bit number b, a minus b minus c. A is equal to 3 minus b is equal to 4 minus c is equal to minus 5. Okay. As there are the two minus, so we can write like this within the bracket. 3 minus 4 plus 5. Minus minus became plus 5. Okay. Now what is the answer we are getting? 3 minus 4 plus 5. Then what will be the answer? See. So students, what is happen here? 3 minus 4. What is that? Here we are getting minus 1. Okay. Plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. Minus plus minus. So we are getting 4. As the positive number is bigger, so it is the answer is also in the positive form. Answer is 4. In this form, you have to do other problems of this number. Okay. See question number 3. There is a different type question and others are can be easy for you. But see question number 3, bit b. What is that? It is given a minus b whole square. Okay. And whereas the value of a is given 5 and b is equal to minus 4. A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4 and it is asking a minus b whole square. But if you will put the simply the value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4, then the answer will be may not become. So in this form we have to go, there is a process. And what is that? In algebraic expression, there is the formula of a minus b whole square. What is that? A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. There is a formula, you have to mind it. Okay, you have to by head this formula. There are some formulas of algebraic expression you have to read in the further classes. Okay, a minus b whole square means there is a formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we will put the value of a b now, then we can get the answer easily. So see, what is a square means what? There is 5 whole square minus 2. 2ab means where there is a intus are there, product. 2 into a means 5 into b means minus 4. Okay. Plus b square means it is minus 4 square. Okay. Now what is, see, 5 square means what? It is 25. 5 into 5 25. 5 square means, can you understand? 5 is multiplied with 2 times. 5 into 5. Then we are getting 25. Minus 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40. But 10 into minus 4. So we are getting minus 40. Okay. Plus 4 minus 4 into minus 4. See, I am writing here. Minus 4 into minus 4. What is that answer we are getting? 4 4s are 16. With that, minus also can be multiplied. Minus minus became plus. So answer we are getting 16. Okay. Now what is the answer? 25 minus minus plus. If we will take out the bracket, then they are becomes 4 plus 25 plus 40 plus 16. Then the answer getting it is 81. Okay. this is the answer of this question. Clear this question. And other questions of 11.4 of each question means 1 to 5, all are the same type, means just put the value of a, b, c or x, y, z, anything it is given. You can calculate according one by one, but just following the plus and the accurate and the correct calculation, then you can got the correct answer. Okay, thank you.